Free of it because the video kept getting long. How does it look? I think it looks good.
Maybe a little bit more.
Yeah. Right. Let's get up.
I can hold it. Or not.
This is what I'll do if I was alone. Sorry. Whoopsies. No. Yeah, I didn't know. Ooga, ooga.
Ooga, ooga. Ooga, booga.
Ooga, booga. Should we get that stick?
Yeah. That'd be good. Right. Pass it to me or no?
Intern?
I think you should hold that.
Yeah. Come here. Sorry if that was a blank screen, guys. That didn't break. I thought it would have break.
Looks like a part of a mop.
Come here. Come here, Intern. Sorry if I keep calling you Intern.
Winston.
Intern?
Inton.
Yes.
Why?
Because you're filming me.
And why is my name?
I don't know. I actually don't even know why I was calling him that.
I'm not with your name, but we're okay with it.
Right. Just hold it like that for a minute. Blank screen. That's gonna have to be at the bottom. Ooga, ooga.
Ooga, ooga.
Ooga, ooga. Put the rocks here. Holding that stick.
Watching the work. That looks better.
We just need a couple more steps.
Let's go up. We seen a lot earlier, didn't we?
Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm back. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Hopefully this video goes good so far.
Oh, look at that for a rock.
What? Oh, that's
Look at that for a
nice.
rock. Wash it and it'll be really nice.
Oh, that's quite good. Yeah, that'll be good. I'm sure I'll be okay for a minute.
It's in your pocket though.
What about this? Do you think we can kick this down?
I wouldn't advise you to.
Do you think it'll hold me?
I mean,
Good. Oh my god, I've got my phone in my hand as well.
your phone.
Yeah. That's alright.
This is risky.
That's risky, bro.
You hold it. I'll try. I'll try. It's time.
You can burn your. Do you want me to put you on, but you can just burn your face? I'm just gonna show you legs.
You can show my body.
There's Jacob. His name's Jacob as well. Oh my god, no. Don't get stuck again.
Oh no.
So yeah, he decided to show himself now. How you doing?
Good.
I'm trying to hold it up for him. Trying to hold it up for him. Jacob, stop. Get off, get off.
Oh god. Oh, that was sketchy.
Go after it.
Horrible.
I would imagine. So let's go. Oh wait, we was getting more sticks, would we?
Yeah, over here it was. Yeah.
What was this one?
That'll do. That's a big one. Perfect. If you can get it. Big arms. Big workouts. Come on. I won't be here to do every video. But on occasions I will. a bit loud.
Yeah. Come on, Jacob, you can come down. Your turn to carry that.
You kidding?
No! You might be in it.
Wait, I got it.
Come here, I'll get this end. You get that end. I'll get this end, you get that end.
I'm alright.
Okay. Come on. I don't think it'll fit.
Just
Move it along this way.
let's get it in place. Let's get
No.
it up there and slide it up.
Now you can help me.
Right. The phone, we need to go there. I'd say put the phone out. Yeah. There we go.
Oh my god.
Want some help?
Yes,
We
please.
can turn the sand over there.
No, we can turn it this way. Push it this way.
Oh yeah.
A bit
that's good
more.
idea.
Now we can roll it up. Now we just need a rock. Or should you think that'll be fine?
Won't be fine. Oh, my hand hurts.
Rock. How do I get the world's smallest rock?
Don't know.
So you guys.
Is it sturdy? That's amazing.
Now I'm just gonna find it.
That'll do, yeah.
Got a rock.
That's not a rock.
Same thing.
It's a cardboard plank. Maybe stick, maybe rock. But, you know.
So yeah.
Yeah.
I think just as happy. Do you, Jacob?
Yeah.
I recommend this then. Let's check from the inside. Just trying to be quick so you don't get bored watching at home. Oh my god, well. I'm okay, guys.
Do not step on this black.
That's what I slipped on. Slippery. Well, yeah,
Come to get the camera.
that looks quite good.
I mean, I'm a cameraman for a reason.
Yes, I know.